In this lecture, we're going to start prepping the form. We want to provide feedback to the user to let them know the status of their submission. We'll continue working in the same component we worked on in the last lecture. The first thing we'll do is listen for the submission. On the form component, listen to the submit event. The name of the function that we'll want to run will be called add comment. The function will need to be defined. In the methods object, define the add comment function with the async keyword. We're making the function asynchronous because we'll be dealing with asynchronous tasks. The comment will be stored in the database. Database operations are mostly asynchronous tasks. The function will be supplied with one argument called values. This argument will represent the values in the fields we have in the form. We'll add it in. Inside the function, we're going to start by adding the alert boxes. The purpose of the alert box is to tell the user their submission is in progress. It'll also let them know if their submission was a success or failure. Inside the data function, we'll define the properties for controlling the alert box. Add the property comment in submission with an initial value of false. We're going to disable the button with this property if the comment is currently in submission. By default, the value will be false, allowing the user to submit a comment. Next, create a property called comment show alert with an initial value of false. This property will be used to toggle the alert box. By default, it'll be hidden from view. Afterward, create the comment alert variant property with an initial value of BGBlue 500. That's for the color of the alert box. Lastly, we'll add a property called comment alert message. The value for this property will be the following. Please wait, your comment is being submitted. With the data properties ready, we can hook them up to the template. Scroll to the form component. We'll add a div tag with the following classes: text white, text center, font bold, P4, MB4. We'll toggle the visibility of the alert by adding the vIf directive. The condition will be the comment show alert property. After toggling the visibility, we'll start working on changing the color. We'll bind the class attribute to the comment alert variant property. For the inner content, we can add the expression comment alert message. The last modification to the template will be toggling the button submissions disable attribute. We don't want users to submit the form again while a comment is inserted into the database. That could cause accidental duplicate comments. Bind the disabled attribute to the button element in the form. Bind it to the comment in submission property. The template and data properties are ready. The last thing we need to do is to handle the logic in the function. We're going to do a couple of things in the function. First, we're going to reset the properties in the component in case they're submitting multiple comments. The user should know that the process for submitting their comment has begun. Set the comment in submission and comment show alert data properties to true. The form submission button will be disabled. The alert box will appear in front of the user. The variant and message will need to be reset in case the user has attempted to submit the comment form multiple times. Reset them to their original values in the component. We can move on to inserting the comment into the database. We'll start this task in the next lecture.